Let's get into the day-to-day process on how we create our meals. This week, we'll look into our Dill Glazed Salmon dish, which is glazed with a dill tarragon oil and is served with sauteed vegetables, green goddess sauce, and a brown rice. On Tuesday, we portion our salmon properly based on your physical information. Then we start searing them to boost the flavor and add texture. Then we prep our ingredients by roasting the cherry tomatoes, chopping up the green beans, and then creating the dill tarragon oil and green goddess sauce from scratch.
On Wednesday, we start cooking our vegetables. Our two line cooks, David and Julio, are spearheading this task by adding all of the ingredients into the skillet, including broccoli, green beans, salt and pepper, carrots, peas, and then topping it all off with roasted tomatoes. After cooking the entire batch, they then put it all on a speed rack where it is stored in a blast chiller or freezer to bring down the temperature and make sure we keep the texture, color, and crunchiness of the produce. Our culinary experts have accurate, up-to-date recipes, so we're able to reach the highest level of consistency because we take huge pride in each and every step in the preparation of our meals. And that's basically it for our Wednesday here at Meal Prep Sunday. And then on Thursday, we have our assistant cook Lucas glaze our salmon and cook it to its final form.
First, we prepare our station by getting our brush, bowls, and racks to make sure the process is clean and ready for glazing. Our glaze is made out of dill, tarragon, parsley, and oil. We first start with a small batch for testing. Once approved, we can reach the level of consistency across the board. This brush, we can use it for glazing each salmon, making sure we don't miss any spot so that the flavor can stay consistent on each bite.
So we just put the salmon inside the oven. The temperature is 350 degrees. For the big salmon, the time will be 24 minutes, and for the small one, 22 minutes.
After the oven, we put the batch of salmon straight to the fridge so it stays cool and ready for plating tomorrow. And that's how we glaze and cook our salmon.
Friday, we start plating the dish with the green goddess sauce, brown rice, and glazed salmon. Then finish it off with the vegetables. During the plating, everything is portioned based on your physical information. After every batch is plated, we'll seal the meals using our advanced packaging technology that naturally seals each meal for 7 days of freshness. These are all the steps we go through every week to make sure we create the highest quality meals for our clients, so we can always practice good to great.